From the Revlon Realistic Black Seed range, today I will be using their styling products, which are not only designed to give you beautiful styling outcomes, but also to impart strength into your styles. I'm going to begin by sectioning off the front of my hair using my trusty hair stick, and I just like to use the arches of my eyebrows as a guide.
Keep on sipping your down till I'm sunk. Your tone is blue sitting up.
Altogether, we want to create 3 sections at the front, and then we're gonna start by working on the first section on the side. I'm just misting my hair lightly with water before I go in with the strengthening buttercream. This is the leave-in part of the range. I absolutely love how it hydrates my hair, or I should say rehydrates my hair, and it's great for locking in that moisture. To do my flat twisting, I'm going to be using the twisting pudding. I really enjoy the texture of this product. I like how it gives a lot of slip, especially for styles that kind of incur a lot of manipulation, such as flat twisting. It also gives the twist a nice sheen, and it gives it a nice bounce as well. Then you just want to proceed to flat twist the entire section.
Folded arms, I ain't licking your wounds. Won't be sharing your spoon, cause it burns. Black and hard with no shadow to hold. I am frozen and cold in your arms. Take a hit and fight for your love. They say love is blind when we kick and punch. Bills won't heal the pain, cause the damage is done. Naked on the floor till we self-destruct. Don't shut me up. Shut me up. It winds me up. You're slipping through my fingers like liquid love.
So next we're going to mirror the exact same thing on the opposite side using the exact same products as well.
Just want to hold you. I just want to hold you, but you're slipping through my fingers like liquid love. Don't shut me up. Shut me up. It winds.
Once we're done, we're going to move on to the easy bit. And one of the reasons why I love this style is that it's really so simple. As long as you can do some flat twists, you're good to go. Using the curling custard, I'm going to apply that to the perimeter of the back section. You can use a gel in this hairstyle, but I just wanted something that was quick and easy, something that didn't necessarily need to be set for a long period of time. Once you've created your high ponytail, we're going to actually create a flat twist using the hair from the ponytail as well as the hair from the center of the head, and we want this to be a seamless flat twist. If you have any of your loose twists that have intertwined, you just want to go ahead and pull those out. And then you want to pin the front section of the hair or the tail end of your twist.
Words are so hard to say. Serenade, flowers above you like
is a really simple hairstyle that looks elegant. It can be dressed up or down. It is one of my favorite go-tos, especially if I just want to keep my hair up. And yeah, some of you guys may know that at the moment I'm enjoying keeping my hair up and out of my face. So there you go. As you can see, I kind of got the sleekness at the back without necessarily using the gel, and that's where the custard came in. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.